Welcome to a journey through the architectural masterpiece known as the Frank W. Thomas House, designed by the legendary architect Frank Lloyd Wright. This remarkable house, located at 210 Forest Avenue in Oak Park, Illinois, stands as a testament to Wright's innovative Prairie School of Architecture. The Thomas House is a testament to Frank Lloyd Wright's vision for residential design. It was originally commissioned by Mr. James C. Rogers for his daughter, making it a cherished wedding gift. The house's unique design sets it apart in many ways. First, it was the first house in Oak Park where Wright chose to eliminate both the basement and the attic, a bold move reflecting his belief that such spaces were unsuitable for the Midwest prairie. The floor plan of the Thomas House is L-shaped, and unlike traditional basements, the basement level here is at ground level, providing space for storage, heating, laundry, and even a servant's room with an adjacent bathroom. This practical approach to design showcases Wright's understanding of family life and functionality. On the floor above, one wing of the house contains the living room, hall, and kitchen, while the other wing features the dining room. The living room seamlessly opens onto a covered porch that connects to a terrace, enhancing the connection between indoors and outdoors. The upper floor consists of 4 bedrooms and a bathroom. The woodwork around the entry stairs is exquisitely detailed, and the leaded glass and ceiling lights are among some of Frank Lloyd Wright's finest glass designs. An interesting feature in the dining room is the use of ceiling strips, a design element Wright would often employ, creating a subtle rhythm as they extend down onto the wall and meet the horizontal band of wood trim. The Frank W. Thomas House holds historical significance as the first of Wright's prairie houses. It embodies the Prairie School style with its low roof, broad overhangs, casement windows, built-in shelves and cabinets, ornate leaded glass windows, and central hearths and fireplaces. In 1923, the house received an addition by the Chicago firm Talmadge and A.M.P. Watson, further preserving its architectural heritage. This architectural gem was rightfully recognized when it was added to the U.S. National Register of Historic Places on September 14, 1972. The Frank W. Thomas House stands as a testament to the genius of Frank Lloyd Wright and the enduring beauty of the Prairie School of Architecture. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and design of the Frank W. Thomas House. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this architectural marvel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more architectural wonders. Goodbye.